how to change your name in Life360. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name in Life360. So let's dive right in. Open up the Life360 app and then you'll need to head over to the gear icon in the top left. Now this will open up your settings and then you need to go to account under universal settings. There tap on your name and then you can remove your current name and then put in a new one. So that's it. Hit save in the top right. And then you need to make sure that your name is unique. And then once you're done, you can just hit save. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.